How to take a panorama picture or photo on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, launch the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you swipe across until you see a panel. And what you want to do is start to point your camera from the left hand side, and then you tap on the shutter button and you continuously try to align the arrow on that yellow line, and then turn your phone or rotate the phone all the way to the right hand side. Okay, so here is the panorama picture that we have captured back in the garden. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.